In this video, I will briefly show you how to use Online Director on ADENAC media stations. So first of all, Online Director is a section of the web interface in which you can assist and edit in real time whatever is being recorded on the media station. So let's enter our credentials and see what it is about. The credentials you can enter could be the ones from administrator or the ones from director. Both work. So once you're there, you will have different options. First of all, you can find on this section right here the options for live streaming and recording, as well as pausing and stopping and taking a snapshot of whatever you are doing here. As well, you can have a var volume right here. And on the section right here on the right, you are going to find the options for editing and live switching. You can, first of all, live switch between 1, 2, 3, or 4 different inputs. It will depend on the media station you are using right now. As well, on this section, you are going to be able to switch from different background images. You can also change whatever image you want to put as an overlay, as I'm doing right now. And it's also possible to change layout, overlay, and background at once from the theme section. I often like to call this section as favorites section. Besides being able to switch in from this theme section, it's also possible to do deeper live edition. You just need to click right here on the pencil icon, and as soon as you do that, you go to this section in which you can literally drag and drop however you want your layout to look like. And as well, you can also change whatever source you want to be showing, and as well also the background, whatever you want it to be, your overlay, and so on. So basically, it's similar to the application which we called Online Editor, but right now it's already included within our Online Director. On this part right here, it's possible for you to control the PTC functions of your cameras, and it's gonna tell you which cameras you have connected. Right here is going to be possible for you to edit some simple text. So in case that you don't have such an overlay, you can simply drag and drop your text anywhere on the screen, and you can write down anything you want, and also change color and the aspect and so on. So basically, that is briefly what you can do on Online Director. As you can see, it's a very straightforward kind of interface. If you have any questions, please contact us to www.a-dena.com. Thank you very much.